So in this video, I'll show you how to track website visitors on your WordPress website using Google Analytics, even if you do not have coding knowledge. All you need to have is access to the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and also admin access to the Google Analytics account that you want to integrate on your website. So the first thing you'll need is to have access to your website. So log into your WordPress website, the dashboard. Scroll down to where you have plugins. Click on plugins, install or add new plugins. Click on plugins. So you're going to land on this page here. Go on to add new at the top there. Click on add new plugin. So click there, it's going to load. Now, here you're going to search Sitekit. Type Sitekit on this search bar there. Sitekit, very quickly, you're going to find it. You can see that mine is an update now because I've already installed it. So for you, it will be installed. So just click on install. And on that page, wait for it to install. It might take a minute or it might take a few seconds, basically. But once it installs, you'll find activate now. For me, it says updated. For you, it will be activate now. You can activate it there or go back to plugins, search for Sitekit. Search for Sitekit under the installed plugins. Just type the Sitekit. The full name is good there. Then click on activate. You can see there, right there, it says activate. Just click on activate. It's going to take a few minutes to activate, on seconds, basically. So for me, because I had already installed this, so I'm just going to complete some of these accesses that I didn't have. But for you on your end, you're going to find connect to Google Analytics. So make sure that you sign up you connect it to your Google Analytics. Choose the specific Google Analytics account that you want to connect to. Then also you can connect to Search Console, you can connect to Google Ads, even Google AdSense. All those are platforms that you can do that. For me, I'm just going to complete setting up with Google Analytics. I click there, you can see, once it loads, you can see there, I have my GA4 Google Analytics account. I complete setup. Now everything is set up for you. You'll be asked to log into that account. You give it permissions. Make sure that you give all those permissions that it will ask you. And that's how you're going to give access to Google Analytics from Sitekit, and you have now connected your WordPress site with Google Analytics, and you'll be able to see